All right, so you have your launch party Facebook group open. You're adding people to it. You have your description all set up, the exact one that I sent you with the date and time correct for your party. And now you need to schedule all of your party posts, okay? So the way you're gonna do that is you're gonna use a program, I guess it's a website called Vizzlie. I'm gonna give you a referral code for you to create your account. Let me share my screen and I will walk you through everything, okay? There are quite a few steps, so just bear with me, all right? Okay, I'm basically just going to give you kind of like an example walkthrough. Obviously, my launch party stuff is already in here, so I can't show you exactly, but I will give you an example. Okay, so you're going to create your free Vizzlie account using my referral code. You're going to get 2 weeks for free. So at first, you're going to be able to use this for any parties you do in the first 2 weeks. And then it's $10 a month. So definitely worth it because you're going to see I'm literally going to give you all of the posts that you need for your launch party and for the parties that you run for hosts. So definitely worth it. And when you sign consultants up on your team, use your referral code and it's just going to help you get Vizzlie for free. We're all going to get Vizzlie for free, okay? All right. So you're going to sign in with your new account and you're going to go over here on the left side. Okay, this kind of is our guide here. You're going to go to templates because we want to upload a template. Okay, you're going to click Facebook because we're doing it on Facebook, right? And the template that I use, I'm going to send you with a code. Okay, so it's going to basically be like a template code. All right, import a shared template. That's what you're going to click. And let's see if I still have it copied. Yeah, so this is the code that I got from Erica, my team leader. It is not the launch party because I already have the launch party one, but this is just a random one so I can show you. So all you do, you paste the code I give you in here, import now. That's it, okay? It's going to pop right up. You'll see. I swear. Okay, my computer's been running all day, so it's not the fastest thing in the world. All right, let's see. This did import faster earlier. Okay, so see, it's just gonna literally pop up right here on your screen. And so they're these parties, the templates that you upload or import, they're basically gonna be drop downs, okay? So I'm just gonna drop down my launch party so you can see exactly what you're gonna get. So you're gonna get one that looks exactly like this. This is the one I'm sending you, okay? And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go in and edit all of these posts. Yes, it's going to take a tiny bit of time, but then the whole thing will be done and it'll be you. Okay, so this is what I did when I got it because you want the party to sound like you, obviously. You're running it. It's your launch. So you're going to click these 3 lines here for every post. First, what I did personally, and do it this way if you want. I previewed the post because it's going to come up like this, like it's going to show up on Facebook with the photos big enough for you to see. And you're just going to look. So don't worry about the highlighted parts. We'll take care of that in a second. You're not going to change those. Do not touch the highlighted parts, okay? This is all my wording. So I did edit tiny bits here and there just to make it sound like me. So that's what you're going to go in and do. So what I did, I read it over and out loud and I'm like, okay, yeah, I want to change this. Okay, cool. Keep the photos. You're going to keep most of the content. Like literally I changed one video, but it's good. So you should keep it. You should keep what I put in. And then you can click the lines if there is something you want to change. And then don't touch the day and time. Just keep that exactly where it is, right in here in the post. This is where you might want to change some of the wording. Again, don't change where it has the brackets, the day, time, link, that stuff. Okay, and if you do decide to change any images or videos, that's what you do down here. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you make changes, obviously click update, not cancel. For an example, this is one of the ones that I changed. It was a very kind of like heartwarming general kind of video. Oh, not this one. Where is it? Oh, it's 2 hours before the party. So this is one that I personally decided to change. It has a video that has more like statistics about basically the failing literacy of children in America. And I thought the statistics were more powerful than kind of the mushy gushy video that was on there before. So yeah, I went in and I personally edited that. But other than that, you're not going to change really anything. You're just going to change wording to make sure it sounds like you. Does that make sense? So go through, preview, edit, everything. Oh, okay, done, perfect. Okay, once you're done with that, you're gonna go over here on the left and where it says Facebook and groups, we're gonna go in. It's gonna show us all of the groups that you have created. So that's gonna include your launch party group, right? Because you just created that. So once it pulls all these up here, you are gonna scroll to find all your groups. I'm the leader of like a million, way too many groups. Once you find your launch party group, let's pretend this is mine, you're going to click it and you're going to say, yes, I want to track it. That means Vizzlie is going to track it for you. Okay, so go back up here. These are all your tracked groups. Okay, cool. So see how it says 0? That means you have 0 posts scheduled, right? So here you can see I have a party coming up for a host that has 29 posts left because it's already started. Here are my launch party groups. I decided to do several, so just ignore that fact, but you can see how many I have left, basically. Cool. Okay, so open up your launch party group. You are going to go down here and you want to add template or use template. Okay, so in scheduled posts, you want to use a template. You already have it uploaded. So here, which template do you want to import? It's going to show you all your options. So of course, you're going to click launch party. I keep this as a yes. And then the starting time is going to be your party time. Okay, so it's not like a few days before, whatever. It's not when it's open. It's not today. It's your actual party start time. So I'm making up a day. Not 8:11. It's going to be 8 o'clock probably. You're going to load up your template and you don't have to touch it in here. Once you've edited it, it's exactly how you want it. All you have to do is click use a template, upload it, bam, it's done. It's here. Don't touch it here, okay? Now we are going to scroll down and we're going to fill in those random links, that little info stuff. See down here, text replacements. And don't worry if you forget, I have done that. And when you try to upload it to like schedule the automation to start, it's not going to let you. It's going to say, hey, you have stuff missing. Okay, so that's your shopping link for your party, which you have made probably. Let me know if you have questions about that, but pretend that that's my link, like an actual link. Time of the party. And this is literally just going to replace that little spot in all of your posts. So you kind of type it out and word it however you want. This is what I do. I do 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. My day, I like to do it like this with the th or the st at the end. Okay, so now those are all set. I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to start the automation. And then I'm going to show you one more thing that you have to do that's super important. You can go do that and then automate, or you can automate and then go do that. So look right here, automated posts are stopped. That means they are not running. They are not going to post until you click here, resume automated posts. Are you sure you want to turn them on? Yes, I do. I would like them to post in my party. Okay, now it says running in green. Perfect. And if we go over back here to groups, you'll see, hopefully, yep, look, 34. Oh, good. All those posts are ready to go. But you have to go back to the group. Oh, wait, I want to show you on Vizzlie what it says. Okay. You can see it on Vizzlie, but I missed it until someone told me. So a Facebook policy, it says you must add Vizzlie as a group app for the posting to go. So it's just a Facebook thing. So go to Facebook, find your group. I want to show you in that group I just did because I haven't actually added Vizzlie to it because I don't use Vizzlie for this group. You want to go to edit group settings. So I like to work on my laptop for this business, but wherever you can find it on either mobile or computer. So edit group settings. Go down to apps and click add apps. And then you can just search for Vizzlie and it'll pop right up. We're almost done. Your party's almost totally ready. Just make sure that you get this done more than 3 days before your party starts because that's when the posts start. Okay, I just searched Vizzlie. I clicked it, add, done. Look, I can use Vizzlie in that group now. It's all set. Vizzlie's not going to look any different. It's all done. It's totally set. Perfect. And I was going to say perfecto. That's why I said perfect weird, and then I didn't, so ignore me there. Okay, so every time, so once your launch party's done and you have parties scheduled with your hosts, I'll be able to send you the host template. And you're going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to send you a code. So you're going to go to templates, Facebook. You're going to click import a shared template. You're going to type in, you're going to copy and paste the code. It's going to pop up. You're going to edit all the posts to sound like you in the text, but keep the content the same, or at least 99% of it the same. And then you can go to groups, track the group, go right through this video all over again, and it's going to be done. It's going to be super easy. Then your only job is to just actually get involved in the group and comment and respond to people, and that's it. That's all you're going to have to do, okay? So I hope that was helpful. Of course, you have this as a resource to refer to, but I am always here for you if you have questions along the way, and that's it.